Oh yeah, we're looking good. It's definitely a look. Careful. No, don't put it on the wall.
Woo, woo, woo.
Whoa, 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 don't fall over. You gonna show how you do mommy's makeup? Yeah, swirl it. Yeah, good job. Okay, look at me. Look where you're putting it. Why do you only want to do it on this eye? What about the other eye? Oh, thank you. Even me out. No, not that side. Not that side. You have to, only this side. Only this side. This is our most recent haul from Outlook. Too Faced was 60% off.
Oh.
Okay. What are you doing? All right. She's giving me back the brush. I think we're done. Stay tuned for next time. Makeup with Aria. Say hi, Aria.
Hi. Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss.